Hello students of Standard 10. In Geography, you are learning about the mineral based industries. Today you are going to learn Chapter 11 Mineral based Industries in India Part 3, in which you are going to learn about the petrochemicals or petrochemical industries. What are the petrochemicals? The chemical compounds derived from the petroleum resources, and these industries required three types of raw materials, whether they are in gaseous state or liquid state or in solid state, such as petroleum or LPG or coal. Natural gas, mainly of methane, ethane, propane, butane and hydrocarbons are the raw materials. The main raw materials for these industries are naphtha and benzene, and they come from the refineries. So wherever the petroleum refineries are located in India, close by these petrochemical industries are located, because they get their raw materials from these industries, such as in Assam, Bongaigaon, in Bihar, Baroni, in Gujarat, Vadodara, Jamnagar, in Maharashtra, close to Mumbai, Trambe. These are some of the important petrochemical industries located in India, which are producing many products and which are cheaper and best and useful for daily life. The location of any petrochemical industries depend on some factors. They are presence of petroleum refinery. Second is the presence of market, and third the presence of port facilities. So they are located close by the ports like Kolkata port in the east, Mumbai port in the west, Kandla in the west. So these are important ports. They export some of the raw finished products to other countries, and they import some of the raw materials. Here some of the products, how the petrochemical products have been replaced the natural products. First, jute fiber replaced by the synthetic fiber. Second, natural rubber replaced by the synthetic rubber. Steel pipes, nowadays PVC is being utilized. Cloth and jute bags and replaced by polythene bags. Leather footwears are replaced by plastic chappals and synthetic footwear. Copper and steel utensils which we use in our kitchen, they are also replaced by some of the plasticware or containers. Jute products such as rope and other important things are also replaced by the articles of synthetic or plastic fiber. So nowadays the petrochemical products are very useful and they are being utilized in our daily life. The next industry is electronics. It is one of the fastest growing industries in India, and it is based on new specific knowledge, high technology, continuous research and investigation. It has begun with radio manufacturing, and now it has made wonders in the areas of communication, information technology and computer system. And it has provided advanced techniques for medical diagnosis and treatment of deadly diseases. It has helped space technology. It has helped in defense force by providing equipments like radar and sonar, etc. It has provided safety measures for air and sea travel. So, electronic industries are very important. We can see in our daily life everywhere. Due to the electronic industries, electronic goods are very useful for various purposes. And there are lot of electronic goods which are manufactured in different parts of our country. Like we can see everywhere the electronic goods used for entertainment like television or radio or audio, computer or many other devices which are the products from electronic industry. They are very useful. And in India there are many centers where electronic industries are located, and the largest main producer of varieties of electronic goods is Bangalore, and therefore Bangalore is known as the electronic capital of India. Other important producers are in northern part close to Delhi, Noida and Ghaziabad, also Kanpur and Lucknow. In southern part of India, Mumbai and Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Machilipatnam, Chennai and Coimbatore. All these are the important centers where electronic goods are manufactured. Next is the space technology. Space technology which is supported by electronic industry, and Apple InSat 1 series and InSat 2 series. All these type of satellites have been successfully launched in India. And ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization at Bangalore, and Satellite Launching Station at Secunderabad, and National Remote Sensing Agency at Hyderabad are landmarks in space technology. These three are the important centers where space technology is producing satellites, and they are successfully launched, and people reach to the moon also and trying to reach in other parts of the space. Next is the software industry. Software industry is very important in this modern age, in computer system, and also for various purposes it is very important. Greatest achievement is the supercomputer Param 10,000, and this can make 10,000 crore calculation per second. So this is the greatest achievement in software. And there are three important centers of software industry. They are Mumbai, Bangalore and Hyderabad. So all these electronic goods which are very useful everywhere for entertainment, for studies, for agriculture, for medical, for space, for defense, everywhere these electronic industries and space technology and also software industries are providing lot of modern technologies, modern products, and they are helping the development of our country. Thank you.